Hi guys, welcome to another amazing video. In this section, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to catch this awesome trade. Now, I'm on this trade currently, and it's been going massively well. Now, this is a good example of an AMD strategy. You can see how price accumulated around this zone right here, forming a what? A resistance zone right here. You can see how price came to that zone and rejected from that zone multiple times. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Now, what happened? Whenever the big whales or the big money guys, they want to come into the market, if they want to sell, for example, they're going to induce the market into thinking that they want to buy, that the market wants to go up. That is what we call manipulation. Now, if you can see right here, a manipulation happened right here. A manipulation happened right here. There are a bunch of sellers are waiting for this market to come back this area for them to sell, right? And they must have put their stop loss just above this zone right here, because this is where the market usually comes and it falls back down. So they must have put their stop loss above here like this, right? But what happened? The market came to that zone and they took out all the liquidity right here by trading above the resistance zone. You can see it manipulated, took out all the sellers right here, and also it induced buyers into thinking that the market wants to what? Pump. Many people must have entered this trade as a buy trade, putting their stop loss just around this area right here, because the moment they saw that the market has broken this resistance zone right here, they are going to okay, the market wants to buy, it wants to go up. They will enter and they'll put their stop loss just around here like this. But what happened? Market took out the sellers, all the sellers around here, induced buyers into thinking it wants to go up. What happened? It came back down. That is what manipulation looks like. This is a typical manipulation. But what happened? It came back down and traded below the previous low that led to what? This is the low. This is the previous. This is the low that led to the manipulation. Now, the moment you see this type of setup, whenever you are navigating the crypto space or whenever you're looking at the chart, just know that this market is now due for a sell-off. This is a typical AMD. Now, if you have watched my previous videos, I have dropped series of videos on how to trade the AMD setup and how to see it whenever you are in the market, how to spot it. Like if you see it, you know that this is an AMD, and how to trade it, and how to enter, and how to exit. Now, make sure you watch previous videos I have done concerning this topic for you to get a comprehensive understanding of what I'm trying to say here. AMD, accumulation, manipulation, and then what? Distribution. You can see this is the accumulation phase right here. Price made multiple touches, forming a resistance zone, forming a resistance zone. What happened? Eventually, it manipulates, taking out all the liquidity around here, liquidity around here, also inducing buyers to think that it wants to go up. But what happened? It comes back inside and trade below the low that led toward the manipulation. All you need to do next is to wait for a retracement. Sometimes the retracement can be deep, like just like this one. The retracement here is a little bit deeper. Sometimes it will not even retrace up to this zone. Sometimes it will right from here. The moment it trades below the the low that led to the manipulation, it will start what? It will start dropping fast. Sometimes it will retrace a little upward and then it what? It tanks. Now this is the distribution. You can see the distribution. I'm on this trade currently. In massive. Let me show you guys. You can see I'm on this trade currently and it's moving massively. You can see it now, massive gain. You can make consistent profit using this amazing strategy called the trading liquidity. You can see the moment price took out the liquidity around here, takes out all the liquidity around here. For those people that are waiting, just patiently waiting for the market to come to that zone again for them to sell, right? Because of you can see how market came here, it sell, it came here, it sell, it came here, it sell, it also came here and it sell. You know, they are waiting for the market to come back there and they will so that they will sell. And for them to sell, they are going to put their stop loss just above here like this. Just above here like this. You can see. But what happened? Market came and manipulate it and then inducing buyers to think that okay, or buyers will say, oh, the market has taken out the resistance zone, it wants to go up. They will buy and they will put their stop loss just below here, like this. But what happened? Price trades back down inside. It's called manipulation. Trades below this low. Once you see this is a complete setup, a complete trade. You start waiting for a retracement, or you enter immediately, put your stop loss above here. Something like this. Put your stop loss. You can see you just put your stop loss above this high and then you ride this market down up to 0.225. This is a massive trade. Depending on your capital and depending on your what, on your leverage, you can be making consistent money with this amazing strategy. Now, if you find this interesting, if you enjoy yourself, please like this video, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be posting more videos like this, more educative videos like this for you to learn and know your way in the crypto space. Peace out, guys. One love.